You see me, I see you. What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and I am back with another for your mother freaking mother. No, what's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C. Make sure you go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to become a C baby. Let's get straight into the video. Y'all know black people like to do everything last minute. I really wasn't even Christmas shopping this year because I'm broke. But I'm about to make it do what it do. Make a little shon, make a little dish, make a little that. So we about to just make a little dish that. Let's get to it. Y'all just gonna watch me work. All right, y'all, I finished one thing. I'm about to go spray it real fast, but it's done. My little cousin came, wanted her uncle's name and stuff. So I knocked that out real quick. This is it. That's the arm. Uncle Sadie, lady handprint. You see me, I see you. See this? I forgot to mirror it. I forgot to mirror it. I'm wasting a light. The first thing that I got, and you probably crooked, but oh well, is pull the tag off. You don't get to see this bright girl's teeth. You do. I want this shirt. I want this shirt. I want this shirt. I want this shirt. If you're watching this video, I want the shirt. I'm over at your house, I'm taking this shit. Yeah. Oh, yo. Tell me that's not drag. It's the first thing I got for my dog. Oh my gosh, I need to go back. I didn't see no other one, y'all. What's this, a large? She tall. Shit, I don't know her size, but I could fit it if I want to. So this is the first thing I got her. Next thing I gotta make, and then I gotta do my mama's and my brother's. So we gon' But I got my mother, I customized her.
Like me and Kyla was taking out the trash.
You can see it more in person, but it's cute. I'm about to hem these. I got this to make me an outfit or to put on some shoes, but I'm about to hem at least 2 of these so I can just do something. I don't know. I'm freestyling. I'm just going with the flow. What I was saying is I'm about to hem these or at least just go across them so they look good. And I'm probably going to cut one of them smaller because, yeah, this shit busting. And it's always good to just have other sizes instead of just one size. Don't be basic. Okay, I'm gonna cut that and then I'm gonna cut this. So I got all these different sizes. You'll feel me? Let's get to it. Ghetto and rigging this because I don't know where my piece is at to stop this, so that's why it's messing up. This is how the first one is. This is the part that I will be doing. If you look at what I'm doing, I'm sewing and then I'm cutting right here so that it's not overlapping really that much. You see that? You see me? Okay, so this is them. You can only see the yellow right there. It's crazy I use yellow and all you see is the red. I never knew that. Okay, you see yellow on this one. It's a huge difference in neatness. I like tucking it over better. This is over. This is under. Let's go make it.